welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enroll on the new system. First, click Join, and on this page, you can select your enrollment country. There's also a list of all the customer types we have and the benefits of each customer type. For this example, I'll be signing up as a preferred customer. The next step is to find a sponsor. To find a sponsor, you can search by IBO number, name, email, or phone number. You can view several sponsors. When you found the correct sponsor, click Shop with Me. If you wanted to enroll without a sponsor, click Go Back, select the customer type again. You can click Continue without an IBO. I've decided to enroll with a sponsor, so my sponsor will show here. On step 1, you'll set up your account and fill out the required information. On step 2, under Initial Order, you can shop for products. You can view the product categories here. You can also search for product and add them to your cart. You can also remove product from your enrollment cart. This makes it easy to shop and get your account set up at the same time. Step 3, you can set up an auto ship order. If there's a product that you've heard great things about, you love it, you want to keep receiving this product on a monthly basis, you can click Add to Auto Ship and sign up with an auto ship already created for you. Add a couple more things to my auto ship. And continue. Step 4 is a checkout page. Here you can apply coupons to your order for discount on products, and you have your auto ship order information right under your initial order. Your next scheduled run date will be set, and you need to select a shipping method for your auto ship. Then input your credit card information. If you like to save this credit card for future purchases, click the check mark here, and the next time you're shopping on our site, you don't have to input credit card information. When you're done with enrollment, click Place Order. On the confirmation page, you'll receive your customer number. The next time you log in, you'll use this customer number as your username to log in. You can click Manage Auto Ship to edit your auto ship if you need, and the system will ask you to log in. If you have any questions about enrollment or your account, feel free to reference our knowledge base FAQs at the bottom, or you can chat with our bot. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.